Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, which is KB5095093. I'll leave the video linked for the update because there's quite a bit going on. Now, in regards to the update, I'll also let you know in a video I posted late last week that Microsoft had also fixed a slow shutdown bug in Windows 11, where, as I mentioned in the video, which will also be linked if you'd like more information, Microsoft had confirmed that there was a bug that had been causing slow shutdowns where you need to wait longer than usual to restart or turn off your PC. Check the video out for more info. Now, just to let you know about yet another improvement that has rolled out with the update, where Microsoft now has quietly and under the radar confirmed that it's also now rolling out a faster file explorer on Windows 11 with the same update. So if we head into the changelog and the release notes for the update, over and above quite a long list of improvements for the file explorer, Microsoft says improves the speed and performance of File Explorer launch. That's all they say. And that's interesting because since applying the update, I have noticed that my File Explorer does launch ever so slightly a little bit faster. It still loads in two parts. All my white flash bangs are gone, as I've mentioned previously, but it definitely feels snappier when I launch it after applying the update. So I just wanted to post this quick video to keep you guys in the loop if you are concerned or your File Explorer launch and performance is not up to par, which I know up until recently it hasn't been. And I think this is Microsoft's effort to fix Windows 11 throughout the course of this year, where Microsoft says it's fixing Windows 11 this year as part of its K2 initiative and effort. Now, if we head back to the release note and we have a look at the small print, if you're not noticing any speed and performance improvements in File Explorer after installing the update, if you did, because it is an optional update, if we head down to the small print at the bottom of the changelog, it says feature availability depends on your device and market. So it is being rolled out slowly and gradually as part of a gradual rollout, which for some reason Microsoft likes to do. So that's two improvements now when it comes to performance that the update has introduced. As mentioned, the first fixing a slow shutdown bug, and the second improving the launch and the performance of the File Explorer, which I do think is a nice move. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.